Welcome to all the students in the science topic. Today we'll study about free fall, the concept of free fall. What do you mean by free fall? Whenever we release any object from height toward the ground surface, then this object falls on the ground, means it get pulled toward the earth because of gravitational force. Means every object attracted toward the center of the earth, it is because of gravitational force. So free and fall means an object is falling from a height on the or towards the ground surface under the influence of only gravitational force. Means there is no any force that attracting the object toward the earth center, only gravitational force. That is called as free fall. Means suppose if a lightweight object, for example paper, is falling from a height, it comes very slowly. Why? Because other than gravitational force, some resistive forces are interrupting, means air resistance. Due to the air molecules, the resistance with the air take place, and that's why the paper comes slowly on the ground. So the free fall means an object falling. See the definition: free fall, an object falling from a height under the influence of gravitational force only, that is called free fall. We will consider one example here. See the figure. This is the figure. In this figure, point A, this is the point A, is at the height. Object is suppose at height and it is denoted by point A. When the object is falling from a height, when it is falling, it comes to center first, means in the B position, and then it's come on ground. Means the object is coming like this. So it comes at position B and then at C and stable. Now in this figure, point A, see this point A is the object is at height from the ground surface. C as the ground surface, and object A is at height. So H is the height. So this is the height. H is the height of the object from the ground surface, means C to A. When object comes to position B, then it covers distance from A to B, it comes, so it covers distance x. This is the x. This is a x, means displacement. Now this is h, total h, and this is x up to B. This is x and this is h. So what will be the B to C? What will be the height? Suppose this is the h is 10 and suppose this is 5. So what will the remaining B to C? 5. How? 10 minus 5. So here we'll have, if B, C to A is h, C to h is h, A to B is x, then B to C height is this h minus this h. So h minus x. So we may clear this. So point C is at the ground surface. This point C as the ground surface. Now when object is at position A, means on height, at height A, then what happen? At the beginning it is stable, not in motion, means its initial velocity is 0. When is at A, its initial velocity is 0. How to find its kinetic energy? Kinetic energy formula we have studied in the previous topic, 1/2 mass into velocity square, means kinetic energy formula is 1/2 mv square, but here we have to consider v means this u square, u velocity. But when the object is at height A, it is in rest position, means its initial velocity is 0, means u is equal to 0. So what will the equation of kinetic energy? What will the equation? Kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 m into 0. So kinetic energy will be 0, because u is 0 means total term will be 0. Therefore kinetic energy is 0. And what is potential energy? Potential energy will be stored here. So what is the formula? mgh. Yes. So total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. So total energy equation, kinetic energy plus potential energy. So total energy, kinetic energy find 0. So put 0, and potential energy mgh. So 0 plus mgh, mgh. So this is the first equation we will get when the object is at A. So total energy is equal to mgh. So remember the first equation when object is at position A. Then we'll study now the object falling from A and reaches at B. Yes, objects come down and suppose it reaches to B, means it cover distance A to B, means displacement x. So at this position u 0, initial velocity 0, and the distance covered means s is equal to x. This is the x, displacement x, and it come down because of gravitational force. Gravitational force is attracting from downward direction. So a is equal to acceleration, means acceleration due to gravity, that is a g. So u is equal to 0, s equal to x, and a is equal to g. Now equation of motion, third equation of motion, v square is equal to u square plus twice s. So position B means vb, velocity at B we have to find. U value is 0, initial velocity, putting the value of u 0, 0 plus 2 into what is the A, means g. So put the value of, yes, A is g, and what is s? S means this x, displacement. So 2 into g into x. Therefore vb square is equal to 0 plus 2gx means 2gx. Yes. Now equation of kinetic energy. This is the equation. See this. Yes. So kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mv square. But vb we have find here. Yes, twice gx. vb value is 2gx. Putting the value of vb square in this equation. So 1/2 m into vb square is 2gx. Put the value 2gx. Now this 2 and these 2 will be cancelled. So what is remain here? mgx. So mgx. Kinetic energy is mgx. Now we have to find out the potential energy at this position. Now how to find potential energy? Now height of the object B is h minus x. Yes, we have find. So potential energy formula is mgh, means h is equal to h minus x we have to take. So mg, h is equal to h minus x. I have put here. Therefore potential energy equal to, multiply this, solve this bracket, mg into h, mgh. Now x multiply, minus minus, the mgx. So potential energy equal to mgh minus mgx. So total energy, yes, this is the equation of total energy, kinetic energy, potential energy. Kinetic energy here we have find out mgx. Put the value mgx. Potential energy we have find here. This is value of potential energy. What is this? mgh minus mgx. So mgh minus mgx. So after solving this mgx and mgx plus mgx minus cancel. What is remain there? Mgh means total energy equal to mgh. This is the second equation. So first equation we get total energy mgh, and second equation total energy mgh. So both A and B position total energy is mgh. Now in the next video we'll see about the total energy when the objects falls on the ground and become stable. Total energy.